Happy Monday, Antelope Valley. I hope everyone's well and that you had a pleasant weekend. I'm Mark Troth, broker and co-owner of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors, bringing you the February 2nd, 2026 Antelope Valley Real Estate Market Update. This is the update where week in and week out, we take a look at exactly what's going on in the Antelope Valley real estate market. Feel it's important for residents, potential buyers, potential sellers to have a trusted local resource to go to follow along with our Antelope Valley real estate market. Often our statistics get lumped in with Greater Los Angeles County, Southern California, and our statistics are obviously very unique to themselves. Also like to give credit where credit's due, and our statistics do come from the Greater Antelope Valley Association of Realtors MLS system. So where do we start this month of February? Man, it sure feels like we blew right through January, and now here we are in February. So as we start February, our market's kind of given us some mixed bag signals. First couple weeks of January sure gave us some reason for some good optimism. Not that we're heading anywhere into to the pessimistic side of things, but definitely looking at the mixed bag, some mixed signals as we do head into the second month of 2026. Our active listings down 2.4%. They were growing the first couple weeks of the year, but we're down to 876. That's a 2.4% decrease, down 22 from last week when we were at 898. Good sign though, our pendings, those properties in escrow under contract, took a nice 28 unit bump to 340 from 312. That's a 9% increase. And part of that reason that those active listings did drop from the prior number of 898 is that a number of those that were on the market did end up going under contract and in escrow. So a quick look at a week over week comparison. New listings down 22.2%, down to 63. Prior week they were at 81. So once again, good reason why that 876 number's up there and we're not cresting 900. Definitely will take those properties going under contract into escrow. Definitely shows some good buyer activity. But definitely can use some more properties coming on the market. They seem to be kind of a little slow, a little sluggish with that happening. The median list price of those 63 new listings down 2.2% to 499. Prior week it was at 510. Nice number here. New properties into escrow up 17.5% from the week prior. Median number of days those were on the market was 49. That's four more than the week prior to last week. Another number, and as I mentioned last week, this is representing properties that would have likely gone under contract mid to late December, which that was really kind of anemic at that point in time. So down just one from the prior week of 126 through yesterday, 132 properties closed escrow through our local MLS. That's a 3% decline. A little bit of good news. The median sales price was up just a tick, 3.5% to 476. That ever important absorption rate did climb again. Absorption rate is if you were to take those active listings of 876 divided by the number of closed transactions over the last 30 days, which was 191. That would mean that we would have 4.7 months worth of inventory on the market. As I like to kind of give the definition of what absorption rate means is that if we're somewhere under 3 months, that's definitely a sign of a seller's market. Somewhere between 3 to 6 months, definitely a balanced market between buyers and sellers. We're starting to trend towards the upper end of that number. And then anything 6 months or higher, we're definitely in a buyer's market. Likely would start to see some downward pressure on pricing at that point in time. So as always, if there's any more information, any more statistics, myself or any of our trusted associates here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Troth Realtors can provide you. about our local real estate market, by all means, please feel free to reach out. We're always here to help and serve where we have been serving the Antelope Valley real estate market since 1957. All right, everybody, take care. Make it a great week, and we'll see you next Monday. All righty. Bye-bye.